everyone!
Hi everyone!
Welcome to another vlog. This vlog is gonna be a little bit different. We're not gonna show you things to do in Bangkok, things to eat to Bangkok or anything like that.
But we are still in Bangkok.
Yes.
So yeah, today we've moved condos. You've actually just moved in literally right now. But you know, when you move somewhere new, we need some new stuff to go in our place. So we're taking you somewhere to go shopping.
So basically today in this vlog we're gonna show you us settling down in our new condo, and also we're gonna show you what it's like to go shopping in Ikea in Thailand.
Let's go. Let's go, people.
Because look at that traffic. It's actually really interesting to see if Ikea food is gonna be the same as UK. Decisions. I don't know which one to choose. This one?
Let's go.
If you're new here, we are Danny and Diggy, an English-Polish couple from the UK.
We have quit our jobs to follow our dream of exploring Thailand for the next year.
If you love good food, views, beaches,
And want to see more of this beautiful country,
join us on our journey. So yeah, basically what we're gonna show you in this vlog is gonna be shopping in Ikea, our shopping and our settling down in Bangkok, guys. Come with us.
So yeah, we're heading to a massive, it's not just Ikea, this place is huge. The place is called Megabangna, and it's just on the outskirts of Bangkok city centre.
I can't wait.
And it only takes us half an hour to get there in a taxi and costs like 150, 170 baht.
Yeah.
So we are taxiing there and back, because no doubt Diggy's going to buy lots of things.
I think he can't wait.
Meatballs!
Right guys, change of plan. We are taking Move Me little tuk-tuk and we off to BTS to Udom Suk, and then we are taking taxi from there, as none of the taxi drivers wouldn't pick us up because it's, look at that traffic. Sawasdee ka.
Ikea Bangna นะครับ
Yeah, Megabangna, ใช่ครับ
Right, we made it to the taxi. We were waiting for ages because there's so much traffic. But yeah, we got off the Udom Suk BTS. Now we're in a taxi going to do some shopping and get some food.
It's nice and cold in here.
Yeah. We have arrived. Let's go.
Yeah, so not only is there Ikea here, if you do come here, they have Home Pro, a big central shopping mall. They have everything, a cinema, Big C, Big Robinson. So come here for the whole day. Why not?
Can we?
No.
Yes. Yes, we will, and we will do a video about that too. But now let's go shopping. I can smell Ikea food already. Restaurant, let's go. We're gonna eat first because we are super hungry. It's actually really interesting to see if Ikea food is gonna be the same as UK. This place is huge.
This could be another trip in rainy season.
Yeah.
Actually come and explore this place.
I'm so excited. They got so much food here. Wow, they got chicken wings. Oh, I'm getting more.
This is nothing like UK. No, nothing the same. Oh, look, they have chicken sausages, they have fish, they have baked pesto salmon.
They have some Thai food as well, the chicken wings. Oh, look, they have mashed potato. What is it? Babu and squeak. They have babu and squeak. They have cake. Ah.
Getting excited about Ikea food.
If you don't know us, guys, we do eat Thai food every single day. So this is really exciting because it's a little bit of the home food for us.
Yeah, Yeah, so no comments saying you should be eating Thai food in Thailand. Yes, we do, and you know we do.
Yeah, exactly.
But this
And
is
look
cool.
how many Thai people is around us. They come to IKEA eat food as well.
That's hello in Swedish. Did you know that?
What?
That's hello in Swedish. You didn't know that?
No. Our Swedish viewers might enjoy this one to see what IKEA is like in Thailand.
Yeah, absolutely. Probably a lot different. The food looks different already. You have the normal stuff you normally have, but they have extras, Thai extras.
Yeah, it's different than UK. We don't know what it's like in Sweden, but it's different than UK. Oh my goodness, I'm so hungry now. Danny, hot.
I'm getting some B-roll for you.
I don't want B-roll. I got enough. We're just quickly eating and disappearing because we have shopping to do.
Yeah.
We're trying to make back home by sunset, but I don't know if we're gonna be able to do it.
One weird looking sausage.
Not too close, right?
I can see it. So it's the same as UK?
Good.
Just like back in the UK. Exactly the same. No difference. Tasty, cheap. The whole lot of this cost us 300 baht. That's with all free refills as well. So 300 baht for 2 people. Not bad.
I'm so hungry. We're gonna eat this and we're going shopping, guys. But don't worry, you're coming with us. Right, shopping time. You excited?
Oh, shopping. Woohoo. Let's go.
We must be excited for this one, though.
Yeah, it's stuff for our condo, so it should be quite cool to find some stuff. Make it more homely.
Yeah.
So it'll be nice to go and have a look around.
Let's go.
What you got now?
199 baht. Hot for soup, cooking soup. I
Yeah?
love cooking.
No?
I will be cooking more at home now.
Yeah?
I don't
No? Pick one. Anyone.
Right, we need some pillows as well, but they're really expensive here. This one costs like 690 baht. I think I've seen cheaper ones in Home Pro and Mr. DIY. So I think I'm gonna leave this one. Decisions. I don't know which one to choose. This one or this one?
And this one. We have chosen. For your rose.
Thanks. So basically what we're doing, we're trying to make our new apartment a little bit more homely, a little bit more cushy in there as well. So yeah.
See that? He's talking. Yeah, if you didn't hear it before, basically this is more of a permanent place now, so we can actually make it a bit our own. This is why we're doing this. We wouldn't have done this with any of the previous places because it's not, don't see it as ours. We kept moving month by month by month. So this is why we're doing it here. Let's go.
We're staying there for 1 year, and yeah, we want to feel like home.
Make it nice and homely.
Yeah. Right. Need to find a coffee table now. This IKEA is huge. The one we used to have back in Exeter where we used to live, it was tiny compared to this one.
One big purchase.
tired now, ready to go to bed. We have so much more stuff in this IKEA than back in UK. The UK IKEA feels basic compared to this one. They even have game rooms here. They have like a massage salon furniture, but the game rooms, they actually look really cool, don't they?
And you can get freshly squeezed juices as you walk around as well. But I hate IKEA because I can't find a way out.
We can't get out from here now.
Let's go.
Right, so shopping done, guys. We can go home and unpack. Right, guys, I'm back home now. It's the next day. You only see me today because Danny is in work. So yeah, I hope you liked our IKEA trip. We bought loads of stuff for home. It feels nice and homely now. We have a little bit of plants as well, cushions on the sofa. Yeah, just to make it feel more cushy, more comfortable as well. You know, we got our table as well, little table so we can edit stuff. It's like so handy to have a little extra things like that in a house or in a flat where we live. I'm just gonna finish this vlog here now. This was just like a quick update to show you basically how we're settling down in Bangkok, so you know us a little bit better as well. So basically you know that we are staying here for longer and there will be more trips to come. And there will be more Bangkok trips. There will be more exploration of Bangkok, guys. There will be more trips around Thailand. This is not gonna be the end of our travel. Don't worry. Danny has holidays. We have weekends. We are gonna be planning the trips away as well. So stay tuned because our adventure in Thailand, it hasn't come to the end yet. The changes will be coming. There will be only one change coming. There will be change into the intro. I have to change it a little bit because we are not full-time travels anymore. So yeah, stay tuned and see what's coming up in the next vlogs. And guys, remember, please subscribe and give a thumbs up to this video if you have enjoyed it. Right, see you next one, guys. Thank you for watching. Bye!